In today's society, where automakers are making cars more and more safe to protect the occupants from physical damage, issues of concussions and mild traumatic brain injuries are becoming more severe. The vehicles with airbags are preventing people from striking the interior of the vehicle. However, the significant blows by the airbags to a person's head are causing significant amount of concussions. The United States has estimated that there was over 3.8 million concussions last year to individuals in the country, resulting in over 50,000 deaths. The problem with concussions is lots of times all testing, X-rays, MRIs, and stuff like that will show that a concussion didn't occur, or that no type of a brain injury has occurred. There's no skull fractures, there's no brain bleeds, there's no subdural hematomas. However, when there is a significant blow to the head, it can result in the brain shaking inside of the skull. This results in a stretching of the axons, the communication paths between different brain cells. And if they stretch too much, they can be damaged or torn. And if that's the case, then portions of the brain are not communicating with other portions of the brain. And chemical changes can occur that leak out toxins into the brain that can then cause additional damage to the surrounding areas. So it's important, if you're in an accident or any other type of a blow to your head, to look for signs of concussion. If you have any type of a ringing in the ears, nausea, vomiting, memory problems, vision problems, or unconsciousness, then you need to be very concerned about whether or not a concussion has occurred. Because if a severe concussion happens, it can result in loss of cognitive function and a mild traumatic brain injury into the future. The additional problem with concussion injuries is that they build on one another. If you have a concussion, you are 4 to 7 times more susceptible to having another concussion down the road if you have a blow to your head from an accident or from a slip and fall or something like that. These can repeat with time and become worse and worse. That is the whole basis of the NFL suit and injuries involving players there who've had repeated concussions over a matter of years. And this has led to degenerative brain conditions, earlier onsets of dementia, and other problems like Alzheimer's that can result. So it's very important that if you have been in an accident or had some other type of blow to the head, that you look for them signs of a concussion and don't just ignore it. Make sure that you get the appropriate treatment and the appropriate documentation of that injury, and be careful regarding future injuries, future concussions and blows to your head, because one makes the second one worse, which makes the third one worse, etc. So be careful out there, and if you have a blow to your head, make sure you seek medical care. And if you've been involved in an accident and you need advice, please call Rue Ziffra. Rue Ziffra in your community and on your side.